In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically translate web pages in Chrome. If you regularly visit websites written in other languages, Chrome has a built-in feature that can save you time by translating pages for you automatically. Once this is set up, Chrome can recognize the languages you choose and translate those web pages as soon as you open them, which makes browsing much more convenient. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Then look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the More icon, which appears as three vertical dots. This menu gives you access to Chrome's main options and settings. From that drop-down menu, click Settings. This will open the main Chrome settings page where you can adjust browser features and personalize how Chrome works for you. Once you're in settings, look to the left-hand sidebar and select Languages. This section controls language preferences, including how Chrome handles translation. If you don't immediately see what you need, just stay in this area because the translation options are located here. Now find the Google Translate section. In that section, make sure the option called Use Google Translate is turned on. Enabling this setting allows Chrome to offer and perform translations for supported web pages. If this is turned off, Chrome won't automatically handle translations, so this part is essential. After that, look for the option labeled Automatically Translate these languages and click Add Languages. This is where you tell Chrome which languages should be translated right away without needing extra prompts each time you visit a page. A list of available languages will appear. Go through the list and check the boxes for the languages you want Chrome to instantly translate. Choose the languages that are most useful for your browsing habits, especially if you frequently read websites from certain regions or in specific languages. Once you've selected them, click Add to confirm. That's it. Chrome will now be set up to automatically translate web pages written in the languages you selected. This can make reading foreign language content much faster and smoother, especially if you often work with international websites, articles, or research. As a quick tip, if a page doesn't translate immediately, the website may not be fully supported or Chrome may detect the language differently than expected. In most cases, though, this setting makes multilingual browsing much easier. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to automatically translate web pages in Chrome.